Summer 2016 fucking bike check. Now we'll start up here with these fucking grips. Got these ODI piece of shit, super fucking soft. And up here we got some Colony fucking roasters. Roast the shit out of that fucking bitch. You got some salt gas.
You gotta ride roasters if you're always roasted.
Yeah, but I don't roast. And then we got fucking salt stem gay. You got a Harrow dust. What's going on here, man?
Harrow dust cap.
Harrow dust cap gay, but there's Odyssey bearings in there. You know, we go down to the forks. We got Colt forks. These Merit fucking hub guards. Look at that pile of fucking garbage.
All right, front wheel right quick.
Front wheel, Shadow Conspiracy. There's a fucking Shadow rim. Got some BSDs, front and the back. Fucking mint.
The red ones, yeah.
Yeah, and then we got the fucking Fiend embryo. Fucking mint frame. And then fucking back here in this shit, we got a BSD beverage sheet. Beverages for days. Stock fucking seat clamp, fuck that. Got a
Of course,
KMC
I wouldn't
chain.
recommend drinking any beverages either.
Yeah, we would.
All right.
Fucking KMC chain. Woo, like it loose. McNeil sprocket. Some rusty old cranks. Got some BSD Safari pedals. And the fucking best thing, the creme de la creme, the fucking BSD West Coaster, man.
The West Coaster wheel, yeah.
Wrap it. Now, this shit does fucking crank flips. Watch this. Fucking crank flip.
Can you do a crank flip? To end the video off. Oh my!
You gotta send the nollie crank flip.
Yo!
And then the hot bar flip.
Hot bar right here. Another hot bar right here.
Now then we'll do
Another hot bar right here.
We'll do some pull bars.
Right here, end the video off. Ha ha ha.